Hello, it is Playrun here again, and today I'm going to be showing you all my favorite tornado sirens. So, starting at number 1, we got the Federal Signal Thunderbolt 1003. Now, the reason why I like this siren is because I like how it does pulse. It can do high-low. It can do like a 1000 noise, and it's really like a 1003. I just really like how it sounds. Next one is ASC American Signal ATIs. So I really like ATIs, just how they sound. And I also got the HPSs over there. I think that's what they're called. And I got the normal ATIs. So, yeah. I just like the noise that they make, and I like their kind of little electronic looking thingy. Next one is American Signal I-Force. So, excuse me. So, these things are just like the ATIs, but different. They have like the same sound as the ATIs, but different. But they're different shape looking. I-Forces, the reason why they're my favorite is because they are cool looking. I like how they surprisingly just go off. They don't do like a wind up. I mean, they do, but it's kind of cool. And plus, I like American Signal. So, next slide is, this is a good one. ACA Electronics. So, these used to actually be my top favorite, more than the Thunderbolts. What made me into electronics is I watched this video of the dual tone Electronic 6000, and it sounded so cool that I'm starting to like electronics. So I got some electronics right here so you can see what they look like. So yeah, next slide. Federal Signal 2001s. Now I don't got all the 2001s on here. It's just my slide does not have that much room. So I got the 130, the DC roundback, SRN, small logo snurb, and the big logo snurb. I didn't get the DC, I think 3rd gen, the SRN looking DC. And then I didn't get the Equinox either. But Equinox is also my favorite. Sentry siren. This is actually my top favorite. Sentries are the best-selling sirens, I believe. They have so much range of noise. They're unbelievable. So I got 7V8, 16V1TB, 10V, 40V2T. No, is it a 40? Yeah, I think it's a 40V2T. This is a 14V, 3V8. 10V2T and 15V1TB, I think. So, yeah. Next one, EWS Sirens, made from Federal Signal. So, this is actually my top favorite right here. These 812. I'm actually planning on a trip to Bay City, Michigan, to visit one of their 812s next to a 2001. And still on a poll, the A12. And thanks to Warning of Sirens of Michiana for recording that modulator video with the snurb going off in the background in Bay City. And right next to that snurb is the 812. So, yeah. Next siren, ASC, American Signal Sirens. So, we got a ASC T128, T121, and T135. I didn't get the T121 that had no horns, nothing like that. I think it's a T112. Yeah, I think it's a T112 instead of a T121. So yeah. Raritan, I think it's Raritan. Raritan, I don't know. I'm going to say it's a Raritan siren. Raritan sirens are my top favorite too because they're used for nuclear sirens, as I never knew that there's a banshee looking kind. I only know there's a ACAP 127 kind, but not banshee kind. So yeah. Thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Play Run. And I'll actually show you a picture of a UWS 612 next to a let's put cap lock on. So this is what I'm planning on seeing. Let's just close that. Oh, so this is what warning Sirens of Michigan recorded. This is the modulator that they recorded. And I'm going to visit one of their 812s. I need to find a picture next to a 2001. And it's real. Oh, that's kind of cool. 115 next to a Vortex. Alright, here it is, right here. So, you can see, here's a better picture. So, this is what I'm planning on seeing. The 812 next to a SNRB or an SRN or 130. So, yeah. I have seen an 812 before, but not like a walk around. I saw it driving by next to a 2001 130. Somewhere around Michigan. I don't know where it is. So, yeah, that is a rear mounted 812. And that's not an 812. 1212 right there. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. And subscribe.